So Jupiter Wagons, after giving a big rally of 1000% in 1.5 years, has been in consolidation phase for almost 8 months. Well, in the month of January this year, it attempted to give a breakout, but it failed. But this time, it seems like Jupiter Wagons is getting stronger and stronger. The base is solid, and this time the breakout will be successful. Well, is this an opportunity for investment? Well, let's find out in this video. But before going through the video, through the detailed analysis, let me just remind that this is not an investment advice. This is just an educational video. Please buy and sell based on your own risk appetite. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so if you have been following my channel Financial Impulse for quite some time, then you know that I have made multiple videos on Jupiter Wagons earlier also. Okay, and this time the difference is that Jupiter Wagons is actually going to start a rally. This is what the evidence looks like. Okay, but please, just repeating it, do not just make an investment based on my own analysis. Do your personal due diligence and then only make the investment. Okay, so this is Jupiter Wagons in weekly time frame, and let me first quickly go to the daily time frame and will be clear why the current scenario is really important. So if I enable the 200 days moving average, you can see Jupiter Wagons is actually using it as a support right now. Okay, it has been using the 200 days moving average as the support, which is what the investors look for. Okay, they normally wait for the stock to bounce from 200 days moving average, especially when it has given a big rally already. Okay, and this is the case with Jupiter Wagons. It has given a very good rally, 1000% return already. Okay, in 1.5 years to 2 years almost. Okay, and now again we need some kind of sideways action so that the base becomes solid and it gets ready for the next rally, and seems like Jupiter Wagons is fulfilling all these criteria. Okay, so you see Jupiter Wagons touched the 200 days moving average here, okay, in the month of March, and you can see how nicely the bulls have made this base. Okay, and now it is starting to go up. Now let us take a look at its momentum by using the momentum indicators, because the 200 days moving average clearly is giving support. Let us first look at the 50 days EMA also. So 50 days EMA is also providing support, so that was obvious. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and check the momentum indicators. So when I enable the momentum indicators, the first thing that we are going to analyze is the RSI. So we can see when this stock was in consolidation phase, you can see it started here, okay, in the month of September 2023. The RSI level dropped. It dropped below 60 here, but it never dropped below 50, okay, in weekly time frame. So that is the clear indication that the long term the long term rally is still strong. Only the consolidation phase is going on. It is not the indication of a downtrend, and here we are clear about that, because the RSI level never dropped below 50, and now you can see the present scenario. It has sharply gone above 60 and also above the moving average, this black line. Okay, clearly indicating that the bulls are back in action with a lot of power. Okay, this is what the RSI tells us. Now let's take a look at the MACD indicator as well, and the MACD indicator has already given a crossover. Okay, and today is Friday 10th May, and it has already given a crossover, clearly indicating that it is the beginning of a new rally. Now let's take a look at the same momentum indicators in daily time frame once. Okay, so when I come to daily time frame, and let me just expand RSI a little bit. Okay, we can see the same thing, that the RSI indicator is strongly going above 50. It has now gone above 60 in daily time frame, clearly indicating strength. And when I come to MACD indicator, same thing, same strength. Okay, so all of these factors are clearly giving us the idea that Jupiter Wagons has started its next phase of rally. Okay, now the question is this a good time to make an entry in this stock? I would say this is the best time to make an entry in this stock, but please invest based on your own risk analysis. Do not go by my words. Okay, do not just close this video and invest dump your money in this stock just because I have mentioned that the rally has started. Please do your own analysis as well, fundamental and price action as well. This is just an educational and informational video so that it can help you in analyzing stocks and also spotting the proper entry point. That is what the target of my videos are. Okay, not a buy and sell recommendation, right? So with that said, the bottom line is, yes, it's a very good time to make an entry in this stock. Okay, and if you are making an entry in this stock right now, make sure to hold it for at least 6 months to 3 years. Okay, then you will get, you know, the best results. Okay, and I am not giving any definite target here. Okay, definitely it will hit 500, 600 and even much more than that, but the thing is that you have to be patient with this stock and keep it in your portfolio. Don't jump out of the stock when you get 15% or 20% return. This has the potential to give you, turn into a multi-bagger still, even if you invest at this point. Okay, people who invested at the time when it was 30 or 40 have already received multi-bagger returns because it has become 10 times. You can see 446 the current prices, and even if you make an entry right now, still it will be a multi-bagger if you be patient with it. So just give it some time and do justice to the stock by holding it for a little bit longer. Okay, at least 6 months, not less than 6 months. Okay, and that is all about Jupiter Wagons. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community where you will get more stock analysis and post. And also just wanted to mention that I have one more channel where I do the analysis in Hindi, and that the content in that channel is different from what I post here, and you will find that link in the description section. Please go and check my other channel. The name is Financial Affairs. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.